everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys something that I pretty much do whenever my hair gets really dirty or I really need to really shampoo and get that dirt out of my hair. So this routine, I use it maybe once or twice a week, and I don't recommend you guys, if you guys have curly hair, I don't recommend that you really shampoo your hair every day. And the reason is because your hair could be damaged. It could potentially make it dry, or you just don't let the moisture within that conditioner or your hair oil really stay on your hair long enough for it to grow and be healthy. So before I start this video, I really want to tell you guys that I apologize for not being consistent like I said I would in a previous video on my channel. So I will be showing you guys more videos along the way of how to treat your hair, tools that worked for me, and maybe just some organic health conditioning treatments that I use for my hair that have actually helped my hair grow, and I hope you guys will take it away. Again, not every product or not every routine or thing that I use for my hair will work for your hair. I do hope it does, but every hair is different and it is a different texture. But I will share with you guys just some things that work for me as I grow up, and I am still learning some things that do and don't work for me. So I hope you guys really learn from this video, and if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or just message me, whatever works for you guys. So this is my hair in the morning, and my curls are not textured. It is not a good look. So I want to go ahead and start with taking off any hair ties, any pins or anything that I have in my hair, and letting my curls fall. Make sure that they are completely free of anything before I hop in the shower. So I want to rinse off my hair with anything that's on there, any chemicals, and I want to start off with my favorite Dr.Bronner soap, and it is an organic castle soap that I do recommend you guys use if you guys would like to try this kind of soap. Then I use my favorite ShaeMoisture Shea Butter Moisture Retention. And for this conditioner, I go ahead and apply it to my ends, my front, and every little corner. Honestly, I make sure that it's rinsed out through all of my hair. And then I start by combing it with my Detangler brush, and with my Detangler brush I just go ahead and comb, and for this comb I start from the bottom up. So here I'm showing you guys how I pretty much comb down up, and what I mean is start from the ends first and then move your way up to your scalp. I didn't know this until 2 years ago that it is better to comb my hair this way. It helps me with less detangling, less pulling, and it's a lot better just to detangle my hair a lot faster. So here I literally just put conditioner and I'm detangling a section of my hair from down then up. And after my hair has all been detangled, I go ahead and run my fingers through it, make sure that it's all been detangled. I comb my brush a couple times, making sure every end of my hair has been combed out. After putting my hair in a microfiber towel out of the shower, I just take it off and make sure that my hair is still moisturized. And if you need to apply more water and conditioner, go ahead. It is a lot better to comb and style your hair when it is moisturized with water. So I go ahead and grab a section of my hair, and for me it's a lot easier to start with my bottom hairs and then move my way up. So I go ahead and make a section, and I start with my bottom half and then section my top half aside from that. And pretty much what I use is this DevaCurl styler, and so this styler has worked really well with my hair. I want to make sure that first I have that conditioner in my hair locked in, my curls are really combed out and detangled completely, and then after that I go ahead and section my hair, put some DevaCurl styler, and this works like a mousse or a gel. For me, I use a very small amount. I don't use a lot because my hair can get really hard when you use too much gel, so I just evenly distribute it throughout my curls in the bottom. So I use my comb or my detangler after I see that my curls are a little frizzy or they're starting to dry up. And the other thing I do use is I use water in a bottle. So I bought a bottle really cheap at the dollar store. I just filled it with water and conditioner, shaked it, and it really works when it comes to styling your hair the next day. I know that I don't shower every day, so I need to find a faster way to style my hair without having to hop in the shower just to get the texture that I want for my curls. And after getting that bottom texture, I move up, and here I'm just combing through, and I grab a section from my top corner here on my edges because for some reason my edges tend to be a lot more frizzy than the bottom and other sections of my hair. So I grab it, I put some styler gel from DevaCurl, and I go ahead and actually twist the curl. So if you grab a piece of your curl, you can tell what direction it's twisting towards, and all you have to do is just grab your finger and twist that curl. Then I part my top section. I make a section there and spray more water with conditioner, comb it out. It's a lot easier to comb it out first with your fingers, especially if your hair is already detangled, and then section that hair. And honestly, it's just about making sure that all of my hair and curls have conditioner and water and are ready to be styled. If your curls don't style on their own, then you can go ahead and grab that section and twist it. That way you can train your hair to stay constantly curly instead of it just being wavy or frizzy. I did learn that it's a lot easier to just twist that hair to sort of train it to stay that way and grow out as well. Then I shake my curls, I go through the back, making sure it looks well, making sure that I've gotten through every section, I haven't missed a piece. And if I have, just go ahead and grab that and twist, twist, twist. Alright, so here I have finally gone through all of my curls, and the next part is just letting it dry. And here's a picture of the end result after my hair dried after 3 hours. I'm sorry I didn't take a video, but this is what I have.